Won't she do it? Oh, yeah. Oh, won't she do it? Oh, won't she do it? Okay, sometimes you just gotta bring out the musical. All right, now, let me tell you guys something. All right, we're in a place. We're in a place to be. Slaying and not playing. All right, now listen. Honey, first of all, get into the earrings. You see these? Okay? Honey, you see these? I would tell you where I got them from, but honey, they ain't sponsoring this. Listen, honey, we getting online, okay? We got a few items. You want to stick around and see what I got? Honey, chill. All right, listen. You want to check this video. Honey, we got our receipt, got our stuff. Oh, chill. Okay, you gonna like these new items. I know you are, because you're fancy. Let's go. My loves, have you seen this? Have you seen this? Man, you know what I'm going to say, okay? Let me know in the comment section what I'm going to say. Let me know, all right? Because I want to see if you really been paying attention doing your homework. Dollar Tree is doing it. 1, 2, 3. Check this out. You seen this? Girl, you seen... See, this ain't nothing but the devil. Because I said I wasn't coming in here, you know, just doing my 1s and 2s and 3s and 4s and 5s and 6s, okay? And a wonderful associate, she said, you seen these? I said, girl, ain't nothing but the devil. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys real quick what this is. All right, so Dollar Tree said, listen, we gonna get your feet right. Hold on, child, hold on, Linda. Now I know you guys like, Dina, if you say Linda one more time, my name not Linda. Okay, this is just in general, boo. Don't, you know, listen, okay? It's all about good vibes over here. Now, listen, Ultimate Pedicure Set, 12 pieces, $1.25. Honey, you better get to it and do it. All right? Skip the salon, it says, and treat yourself to complete at-home pedicures at your convenience. This specially curated all-in-one set includes everything you need to trim, smooth, file, clip your way to sandal-ready feet. I know that's right. Okay? And this is what it includes. 1 coarse metal file, 1 fine metal file, 1 cuticle trimmer, 1 nail clipper, 1 callus shaver, 5 replacement callus blades, 1 dual grit folding nail file. Okay, child, you better be on the lookout for these. You better be, and look what I'm next to. Okay, won't he do it? Honey, won't she do it in this case? Smooth exfoliating foot scrub with brown sugar. Now, I told you guys last time, now I don't know if you moving your feet to the beat in these Dollar Tree streets, but you need to catch up, okay?